If you're a global supplier of large machinery or advanced electronic devices, you may be wondering if there is a way to avoid retrieving products or sending technicians to clients for simple maintenance. Of course, remote assistance is one of the ways to solve this matter. But what if you don't have a 24-hour hotline to support different time zones, or network conditions are not optimally designed? Don't worry. We have a better solution for you. Misterine helps you create an AR maintenance manual for your clients. The most reliable AR solution for technical support. The AR maintenance manual can be used offline and doesn't require any complicated hardware setup. Let's look at an example of exchanging an SD card reader in a computer. When a user opens a player on a tablet or smartphone, AR software immediately recognizes the type of product they are dealing with. The advanced image recognition tools integrated into the software can recognize each part by its shape, even without visual markers like QR codes. By clicking on each part, the user can see more detailed information. The software shows AR-generated sequential instructions, either by automatically understanding the user's activity or by asking for user confirmation. The user is instructed by visual animation and texts, or additional guidance such as picture-in-picture videos in the case of more complicated tasks. The user can also refer to the statistics related to the operation at the end of the procedure. The AR Maintenance Manual provides user-friendly technical support without generating additional costs by augmenting step-by-step instructions on the actual machinery and providing reliable and comprehensive guidance to users who do not have enough expertise in specific operations. Misterine provides a custom-made solution tailored to your needs for all activities in maintenance fields. Misterine, empowering people with augmented reality and pioneering the augmentation of industrial processes.